Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see what you have watched on Netflix. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app, and after that, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Data Settings option. Click on it. And as you can see, the second option here is Viewing Activity. You have just to click on it. And as you can see here, you will see all the things that you have watched on Netflix. And of course, you can delete anything by just clicking on that circle, and it will be deleted from your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.